Class 3 Computer Chapter 1 A Computer System. Good morning, dear students. Now we have completed Chapter 1 A Computer System. So let's have a quick recap in this class and do some book exercises. In this chapter, we learned what is a computer system. Yes, it is an electronic machine that helps almost everyone in every workplace in doing different tasks in an easy and quicker way. It has many parts which can be grouped into two, that is hardware and software. Hardware parts are those parts which we can see and touch, and software parts is a set of instruction which helps the computer work. A computer has four main parts, that is keyboard, mouse, CPU and a monitor. These four main parts help in the working of a computer through IPO cycle. Now let's do some exercises given in the book for this chapter. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the help of the hints given below. Question 1. A computer works with dash and dash. So the answer is a computer works with data and instructions. Question 2. A dash is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. So the answer is a mouse is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. Though it is not given in the hint box, please write it. Question number 3. The dash consists of number keys, arithmetic operators and the decimal point. The answer to this question is the numeric pad consists of number keys, arithmetic operators and the decimal point. For this option is also not given there, please write it. So question number 3's answer is numeric pad. NUMERIC, numeric, keypad, KEYPAD. Question number 4. A dash displays all the work that we do on a computer. So the answer is a monitor displays all the work that we do on a computer. Number 5. Dash keys are used for moving through the documents. So the answer is navigation keys are used for moving through the documents. Now question 6. The parts of a computer that can be touched are called hardware. So answer 6 is hardware. Now let's move on to question exercise number B. State true or false. Question 1. A computer has 4 main parts. True. Question 2. MU stands for memory utility. False. MU stands for memory unit, not for memory utility. So the answer for question number 2 is false. Question 3. A CPU is made up of AU and LU. The answer is false because CPU is made up of 3 parts: memory unit, control unit, and ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit. So the answer for question number 3 is false. Question number 4. The information that we see on a monitor is known as soft copy. Yes, it is true. Number 5. Function keys are placed on the right side of the keyboard. Answer is false. It is placed on the top of the keyboard. So answer for question number 5 is false. Number 6. A printer is an output device. True. So exercise B is done. Now let's move on to exercise C. Let's read the instruction. Application based questions. Read these questions and you need to identify the parts which are used for these purposes. Question 1. Mary is reading the soft copy of a letter. Which part of a computer is she using? The answer is monitor. Question 2. Supriya wants to do painting on a computer. Which computer device will you suggest her to use for making a colorful drawing? The answer is mouse, because mouse helps in moving the objects, moving the cursor. So the part that will be used here is mouse. Question 3. Saurabh's mother has asked him to take out 50 copies of the birthday invitation letter. Which device should he use to get the hard copy? Hard copy is the one which we can touch. So, how can we get it? Through the printer. So, the answer is printer. Question 4. Kabir wants to record a song in the computer. Which input device can he use? So the answer is the microphone. Microphone helps us to record our voice. So that's all for today's class. Do all these exercises in your computer copies and revise them regularly. You may check the PDF file once again to check your answers for the spellings. Thank you.